Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you should do your foundation pipe, or I would say window well drain pipe testing. It's very important and you should do it time to time, like at least once in a 6 months or once every year, depending on your circumstances. Otherwise it may lead to water leakage or water seepage into your basement. Now the very first thing is to keep the foundation well clean. Right now you see this is mine, like I have removed most of the debris, water leaves, etc. But if it but if you don't clean, they quickly accumulate, right? One solution is to install a window well cover. But if you are going to do that, and if you have an egress window, make sure it is fire compliant, where it can be pushed and opened from inside, so that in case of an emergency the occupants do not have any difficulty in leaving the premises. Otherwise it's a severe fire code violation and you could be cooked up if fire department finds it. Okay, so how you are going to test it? Like, first you see there are stones, these are gravel stones. These act as natural filters for debris or anything else that gets into that pipe. So in order to avoid these debris, what contractors do, they fill it up with gravel. Okay, so your job is to take the debris, leaves and other things out, fill a bucket with water, okay, and put it into the pipe. You will find it, okay, over there. And then you run it, you run it, and if it goes smoothly and water is not taking too long to seep or too long to go inside, or it's not falling here and there, then that means your pipe is working well. So let me show it to you. Okay, you see how good it is going. It's pretty fast, pretty smooth. So that means there is no problem with this one. So this is how you can do the test, guys, and depending upon the result you can plan for other steps. Let me know guys what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.